What's up everyone, welcome to the Pandora's Bug Zone. Today we will play Silent Hill 2 on PS2, yay! Let's see if I will enjoy this game like I did back then. So... yeah, Riddle Lord. I love riddles. Mean? Why are you looking at your face like this? I'm really alive? Or am I? Nice shot. I wonder what's happening in your head, man. Can I have a glimpse?
Mary.
Or maybe I'm already
Could you really be in this town?
Who is Mary? Let's find out. Oh, I don't have a map? What? A photo. Looks like I can't use that here, but I want to examine it. Sorry. A photo from when she was still healthy. Okay. Where is the special place? I don't have a map. I don't know where to go. And this place is creepy. Oh, I cannot interact with anything here. I'm out of here. I would rather play the HD collection, but the HD collection sucks. Hey, nice JPEG there.
In my restless dreams, I see that town.
I read that. Come on.
Silent Hill. You promised you'd take me there again someday. But you never did. Well, I'm alone there now. In our special place.
Oh yeah?
Waiting for you.
Waiting for me?
I got a letter. The name on the envelope said Mary.
Christmas.
My wife's name.
For real?
It's ridiculous. Couldn't possibly be true.
Why?
That's what I keep telling myself. A dead person can't write a letter.
She's dead?
Mary died of that damn disease 3 years ago.
Ew.
So then, why am I looking for her?
I don't know.
Her special place. What could she mean?
Let's find out.
This whole town was our special place.
Ooh, so?
Does she mean the park on the lake? We spent the whole day there. Just the two of us, staring at the water.
Nice.
Could Mary really be there?
Let's find
Is
out.
she really alive? Waiting for me?
No! Music, don't go! Ew. Suddenly, the ambience did change a bit. Oh, there's a writing on the wall. I cannot read it. Let's take the car. Explore this place. Yo, I have a map now. Ooh, I'm fully equipped to explore this place. Ooh. So, time to take the car. There's nothing else worth taking. Yeah, but I want to take the car. Is this something worth taking? Apparently not. Let's take a walk. Run, run, and find your beautiful wife. Your dead wife. Her corpse waiting for you. Huh? Is there something for me here? Well, we come. Oh, I love that. It seems that there's nothing here. Let's go to Toluca Lake. Toluca Lake is the place that I wanna go. What is that sound? Yes, let's flip the camera. Thank you. Is there somebody watching me right now? I did lose the control of the camera here. And those sounds are weird. There's definitely somebody watching me. Hey, let's look inside that well. Oh well, something red. What's that? Looking at this makes me feel like someone's groping around inside my skull. It gives me a weird feeling. Damn. Sup, everyone? I don't want to save right now. Why? I would save. Am I supposed to be afraid of something? Oh! Lake, oh lake, I'm almost here. Wait. Ew, cemetery. Oh! There's somebody. So foggy.
Excuse me,
Don't
I'm
settle
sorry.
like this.
I
No,
was
it's
just...
okay. I didn't mean to scare you. I'm kind of lost.
Lost?
The way she said
Yeah.
this.
I'm looking for Silent Hill. Is this the right way?
Yeah. It's hard to see with this fog, but there's
Dude.
only the one road. You can't miss it.
Thanks.
But
Yes?
I think you'd better stay away.
For real?
This, this town, there's something wrong with it. It's kind of hard to explain, but
Is it dangerous?
Like a maze inside your
maybe.
brain.
And it's not just the fog either.
Okay,
It's...
I got it. I'll be careful.
I'm not lying.
No, I believe you. It's just... I guess I really don't care if it's dangerous or not.
Damn.
I'm going to town either
Big
way.
balls, bruh.
But why?
But because I'm James, right?
I'm looking for... someone.
Someone dead.
Who is it?
Please,
Someone-
tell her.
Very important to me.
Come on,
I'd
tell
do
the truth.
anything if I could be with her again.
What?
Me too. I'm looking for my mama. I mean my mother. It's been so long since I've seen her. I thought my father and brother were here, but I can't find them either. I'm sorry. It's not your
No,
problem.
I hope you find them.
Yeah, you too.
Nice. Anything else to say?
What is it?
I don't know.
Oh. Nothing. Sure is quiet here, huh?
I guess.
You want to be alone? I will let you alone. Don't worry about this. I do understand. Something else?
What is it?
Apparently. Okay. Let's not interact with her anymore. So, I think the fog represents the confusion inside the brain of Mr. James and everyone surrounding him right now because they are all confused right now. It is just an hypothesis. I think I need to go there. Yay! Let's go on with my life. Did I choose the right path? Let's find out. I think not. Oh yes. Man, wrench? Go to the wrench right now. Send them to the wrench. Send them to the wrench. Yeah. Whoa. There's somebody. Hey! I want to interact with you. I'm all alone here. Please. Where are you? I can hear you walk. Nothing's happening. Nothing really happening. Oh! Look at this. Bang, bang, bada bang, bang, boom, boom, boom. Danger. Keep out. No, I want to go inside. No, I will not keep out. Roadrunner. Me. Ew. Blood. Yes, apparently. Hey, yo! Wait for me. I'm alone. Wow, you're pretty fast, man. I thought that I was fast, but I didn't catch you. Come on, take a breath. Yeah, I know. Oh, another drink elf. Yeah. After that, I will be healthy as hell. Come on, go out. Come on. Thank you. It was a challenge, but I did it. Oh! What is this? Some kind of radio? Please, tune for something else. This thing is broken. Yeah, change the post. The channel. What the hell is that? Not as though. Okay, I'm fully equipped to put you down. Apparently I don't know how to control you. Yeah, take this and stay.
Dead?
Fuck.
What the hell is it?
I don't know. Tell
It's
me.
not human.
It doesn't look human indeed. Huh? The radio did stop. That could it have been that creature? What's going on in this town? I don't know.
Oh yeah. This thing broken?
Apparently. Oh?
What the? I'd better take it anyway. I might need it.
Maybe. Time to move on with my life. I have a radio, so I might be able to listen to that beautiful music next time. The reception is bad here though. Oh, you're watching something? Give me that. I want some healthy things inside my body. What the hell is that sound? Please. Okay. Oh shit! Man, you're creepy. Come on, attack. I cannot attack? Yo! Go down. And stay. What the hell is that? Another body? Who? The jacket looks like the one that I have. Yo! The hell is this place? Everything is barricaded. Do you really want to go? Oh, I can't. Everywhere. Apparently there's monster here too. Judging by the sounds of my radio. I would love to live here. Ooh, whoa, there's a trash. Okay, well, there's some kind of strange garbage stuck in the hole. Who cares? This is only garbage. Ew. Oh! Is it Maria? Oh, whoa! This is creepy! What is this? Where are you? Oh! Haha, they dodge you. Nope. Denied again. Too slow. Can't open this door. Let me take this. Oh, you will pay for your insult. Take this and this. And stay there. Please. Thank you. What the hell? Damn. This is creepy. Hey! There's something for me. Yes, I will try to reach for that. Come on, take it. Take it. Oh, come on! Ow! You little brat.
Hey, wait! Damn it.
Now, how I'm supposed to reach this? Hey, give me that. It's locked. So I did miss something. Oh, the map is here. Thank you. What the hell? Didn't take the time to read like a dumb. Did you do this? Come on, tell me. I need to know. Oh no, there's somebody dead. Is it me?
Who could have?
You. Only you. go to? What a weird place. Ooh, butterflies. What the hell is that? It's too dark to tell for sure, but I think there's something on the other side of the hall. Let's take a look at it. You're courageous. Huh? Ooh, I can feel some vibration. Good vibration. Yeah. Clock key. Apparently I need to go back where I was. Clock. Grandmother or grandfather? This is a grandfather. Ugh. So, Henry, Mildred, Scott. An easy puzzle, I'd say, but I didn't figure it out that Scott was already there, dummy. So, took me longer than it should. Yo. Ah, it's peaceful. Something for me? A save. Save. Let me take a moment to explore those rooms. Something useful. Nope. It is time to say. Ah. Okay, that's gonna be it for today. I hope you did enjoy this video. Please leave a like, comment, or subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Take care.